everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be one in my capsule wardrobe series, and this video is going to be focused on those summer capsule wardrobe essentials. Basically, if you are starting from scratch, you've decluttered your wardrobe, you've followed a couple of my tips on my other videos on how to get started building your capsule wardrobe, and you're all ready to go. If you are looking to add some basic items to your wardrobe to get going, to get the motion flowing of the capsule wardrobe, then hopefully this video will be really helpful for you. So I've got 10 pieces of clothing, I've got some shoes, and I also have a bag that I would highly recommend having in your capsule wardrobe for this time of year. So as I say, this capsule wardrobe video has got a slight focus on the summer season, but actually a lot of these pieces are trans-seasonal. They're going to last you throughout the seasons and you're going to get lots and lots of wear out of them, which is what we love for a capsule wardrobe. I'm going to start with the first thing, and that is a basic vest top. This basic vest top is from Zara. I've had it for a couple of years. It is just a fail-safe item of clothing for the summer. I love wearing vest tops. This vest top I'm wearing today is from H&M. A really versatile piece that works so nicely in so many people's wardrobes. If you are conscious of your arms slightly, I'm conscious of my arms, then don't worry, you can cover up with a shirt or a jacket or a blazer or something. You don't have to feel too exposed, but vests are a great piece that can stand alone in the summer, or you can wear them as a layering piece. Probably the most common capsule wardrobe recommended staple. It is of course the white t-shirt. This is just a plain white tee. This one is from Arket. I would highly recommend Arket for basic white t-shirts and basic t-shirts generally. Really good quality, really durable, and they will last you a very long time, which is great if you're going to be wearing something on repeat like a white t-shirt. These are super easy to dress up, dress down. They work with pretty much everything because they are such a seasonless, transitional, really helpful piece in your wardrobe that's going to work super hard. And yeah, just can't go wrong with a basic white tee. I will link everything in the description box below from this video. A few pieces are slightly older, but I will find alternatives for you. Of course, you can't have a capsule wardrobe starter kit without having a striped t-shirt. This one is from Under the Stories. I bought this about 2 months ago and I've worn it on repeat many times with many different outfits. It is a really effortless piece. It's timeless, it's trendless. It is going to go really nicely with all of your bottoms in your wardrobe, and because I've gone for a simple colour, it's also going to work really well with a more simple capsule wardrobe too. This is where the summer part of the capsule wardrobe in today's video comes in. This is a linen blend shirt. This one is a white one. It is from H&M. It is really gorgeous. Such an easy piece to tuck into trousers. You can tuck it into shorts. I like to wear mine as an added layer, so I like to wear it over the vest. For example, the vest that I'm wearing today, I will pop on this linen shirt over the top. I think a white one is perfect because it goes with colours. If you have a more colourful wardrobe, the white will work really nicely and complement everything. If you have a more neutral wardrobe, then that is also going to work really nicely too. A blue linen shirt as well. I've picked up this one because it is nice to add some pops of colour into a summer wardrobe. I have gone for this blue one, which is from Zara. This one is a couple of years old now, but I think they do still have similar. I will have a look for you. Again, I like to wear my shirts as a layering piece. I like to wear them over striped tops, over t-shirts, over bandeau tops. I don't really wear bandeau tops that much, but if I were to wear them, I would be wearing them with this. A really great jacket to have in the summer, and to be honest with you, at all times of year, is a denim jacket. So this denim jacket is from Zara. It's a very boxy, really casual fit. It's not too oversized and it's also not too cropped. I found this jacket really helpful for those colder days. It's helpful for the evenings. It actually goes really nicely with the outfit I'm wearing right now. It's just a timeless staple, and because it's not got too many bells and whistles or points of difference, It is timeless. It's not, again, trend-led. It's going to be a piece that lasts and lasts and lasts in your wardrobe. You'll get so much wear out of it if denim jackets are your thing, and it's a really great casual piece to have. If you are looking to smarten things up slightly, then I think a lightweight blazer is a really good option for the summer. In the winter, I would go for slightly heavier and maybe wool blazers. So a blazer always features in my wardrobe, and I think it's just a really good thing to have in a starter capsule wardrobe because it just adds something a little bit special to perhaps an otherwise quite boring outfit. So I love to roll up the sleeves. I love to wear blazers with shorts in the summer. I like to wear them in the evening, and I also love to wear them in the daytime over a vest because they are quite lightweight, and sometimes in the UK it's not necessarily the warmest. Moving on to bottoms or trousers now. I have gone for trousers specifically because I know that not necessarily everybody is a fan of shorts. I myself aren't the biggest fan of shorts. I do tend to live in my trousers. So this is the nod to summer here with these linen trousers. I would highly recommend, if you are looking for a summer capsule wardrobe and you are wondering where to start, definitely consider getting a pair of linen blend trousers or linen trousers, whatever your budget allows you to get. These ones are H&M, they are a straight leg, they are a little bit tapered at the bottom. They do have an elasticated waist, which is lovely. They are ever so slightly opaque, so you do have to wear nude underwear with these. But otherwise, yeah, love them. They go so nicely with everything else in my summer capsule wardrobe, and they are just a great summer staple. Because I do live in linen trousers, I also wanted to include these ones. These ones are a wide leg striped trouser. These ones have an elasticated waist. They are from Arquette. They are a darker stripe, so I don't necessarily just love wearing light colours in the summer. I do like to pair in darker colours, blacks, greys, dark blues, things like that, and these trousers do that really nicely. They are very comfortable, very lightweight, great at keeping you cool but also looking chic and put together. I've also included a pair of blue, or I should say light blue, wash jeans in this summer capsule wardrobe starter kit as well, because I do think you will get a lot of wear out of a pair of jeans in the summer here in the UK, as I say, because it's not necessarily the best weather all the time. These ones are from Mango. They are slightly frayed on the hem. They are, as I say, a lighter wash, which I adore in the summer. I think it works so nicely with white blouses, white t-shirts. Also goes really nicely with stripes as well. And I have gone for a high-waisted straight pair here. You can go for whatever style suits you, whatever style fits your body perfectly. You don't have to go for the same style. I just think a lighter wash pair of denim jeans, and also, to be honest with you, a white or cream pair of jeans works so nicely this time of year. Moving on to shoes, I've picked out 3 pairs of shoes because I am wearing these on repeat, and I think it's important to have different styles of shoes in your summer wardrobe because it adds to the versatility of your outfits. The first pair are these ones. These ones are basic slides. These are gorgeous, lovely tan colour sandals from New Look. They were £12.99, which is unbelievable value. They are, of course, a dupe for the Hermes Oran sandals, and I can't go wrong with them. I love them. They're comfortable, they fit perfectly, and they go with everything in my wardrobe. The next pair I want to give a shout out to are these black strappy sandals. These ones are from New Look. They are a really beautiful, really thin strap, which I love, with a tie at the ankle. They are so incredibly flattering. They look gorgeous. They add a bit of finish and detail to an otherwise quite plain outfit. And they also just go with so many colours because obviously they are black. Again, these ones were incredibly affordable. I've worn them a number of times. The straps are actually incredibly soft, so they don't dig into your feet, which is really nice. And yeah, I really can't recommend these enough. I love them. And I do want to include these sandals as well. These are a chunky sandal. These are actually from M&S last year. They are a quilted chunky strap sandal. They're a bit of a dad sandal. These might not be your thing. If there is a particular shoe that you want to replace these with, then please do feel free. I personally get a lot of wear out of a chunky dad sandal in the summer. I don't think they're going anywhere. I think they're pretty timeless now. I think they are lasting a really, really long time, and I wanted to include them because I wear them all of the time. The final item in this capsule wardrobe starter kit for summer is a basket bag. Now, basket bags are timeless. They are summer through and through. If you don't already own a basket bag, I would highly recommend one for your summer wardrobe. I have obviously gone a bit bougie here with my Loewe basket bag. I also have a Zara basket bag in tan, which I wear all of the time. I'm also looking for a black, very minimal basket bag, so that one might have to wait until next summer, but it is on my list. But I absolutely love the way they look with the outfits. They make everything super casual, but also really summery and lovely as well. I would also recommend a pair of sunglasses. If you don't already have a good pair of sunglasses, have a look and try to invest in a pair that you're going to wear time and time again. And that is my summer capsule wardrobe starter kit. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, I would love it if you gave it a big old thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button for new videos from me every single week. And I will see you really, really soon for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.